Hello, today we will guide you through how to reconcile bank statements in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the QuickBooks homepage to the reconciliation screen, making sure you're set up with the correct statement information before you begin. Reconciliation is the process of comparing what's in QuickBooks with what appears on your bank statement, and the goal is to confirm that your records are complete and accurate. Before you start, have your latest bank statement handy so you can reference the ending balance and the statement's ending date. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. From the homepage, look toward the left-hand navigation. Hover your mouse over the accounting menu. This reveals more options without clicking, which is useful if you're still getting familiar with the layout. From those options, select Reconcile. This opens QuickBooks' reconciliation tool, the place where you'll prepare the statement details. If you're reconciling for the first time in this company file, you'll see an introductory prompt. Click. Get started. This simply confirms you're ready to enter the statement information and doesn't change any data yet. You'll now see fields to enter your statement details. In the Statement Ending Balance box, type the exact ending balance from your bank statement. Use the number as printed, including cents. Accuracy here matters. Even a small difference will affect the final reconciliation. As a tip, double-check that you're entering the balance for the correct account. If you manage multiple accounts, verify the account name displayed at the top of the screen matches the statement you're holding. Next, select the statement ending date. Choose the date shown on the statement, not today's date. This tells QuickBooks which period you're reconciling and ensures the correct set of transactions is included. If your statement closes mid-month, select that exact date rather than the end of the month. Once the ending balance and date look correct, review them one more time. A quick pause here can save time later. When you're confident everything is accurate, click Start Reconcile. QuickBooks will take you to the reconciliation screen where you can review cleared transactions and compare them with your statement. From here, you're set to proceed. The key is that you've reached the reconciliation workspace with the correct balance and date, which is the foundation for a smooth process. If you need to step away or confirm details, you can return to this screen and pick up where you left off. That's all for getting started with reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Great job preparing your file to complete your monthly close with confidence.